Hello friends, welcome to our channel, The Kern. In this video, we will dwell into the much debated topic this week, Chandrayaan-2's landing on Moon. Chandrayaan-2 was launched onto the Earth's orbit on 22nd July 2019 at 2:43 p.m. It was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center located on Sriharikota Island with the help of GSLV Mark III. The primary objective of Chandrayaan-2 is to demonstrate the ability to soft land on the lunar surface near the unexplored Moon's south pole and to operate a rover on the surface. Chandrayaan-2 mainly consists of the orbiter, lander Vikram and rover Pragyan. Each of these is equipped with various instruments or payloads to carry out scientific experiments. Payloads include different type of cameras, spectrometers, radars, which will help us gain a better understanding of the origin and the evolution of the Moon. By conducting detailed topographical studies, comprehensive mineral analysis and a host of other experiments on the lunar surface. After its launch onto the Earth's orbit on 22nd July, scientists have made a series of maneuvers over a month which made Chandrayaan enter into lunar orbit on 20th August 2019. On 2nd September 2019, lander module Vikram was separated from the orbiter following the two deorbiting maneuvers were performed to bring the lander closer to the Moon. Vikram was scheduled to soft land on the Moon between 1:30 am to 2:30 am on 7th September 2019. According to the schedule, final descent of Vikram to lunar surface takes around 15 minutes. In this phase, Vikram, traveling in elliptical path, descends from about a height of 30 kilometers to touch the surface. This phase is described as the 15 minutes of terror by our scientists. First of all, we shall talk about the actual plan of descent or steps involved in the descent of Vikram during the 15 minutes of terror. According to the plan, descent of Vikram lander starts around 1:40 am on 7th September. Vikram, which is at a height of 30 km and a speed of 6120 kmph, traveling in elliptical path, descends to an altitude of 7.4 km in 10 minutes 30 seconds, with its speed reduced to 526 kmph. Then in the next 1 minute, that is approximately by 11 minutes 8 seconds of initial descent, Vikram drops to a height of 5 km and its speed will be reduced to 331.2 kmph. In this step, lander Vikram will be tilted by 50 degrees. In the next 2 minutes, that is 12 minutes 37 seconds from the start of descent, Vikram will be dropped to a height of 400 meters with its speed reduced to 0. At this point, the navigational instruments in Vikram would identify the landmarks. Then by 13 minutes 55 seconds, Vikram will descend to a height of 100 meters, which is in vertical posture ready to land. Hovers above the spot for 25 seconds to landing site. It descends to 10 meters in 2 minutes, then using its retro rockets, which helps it in soft landing. This is what was expected to happen. What happened was, when Vikram dropped to a height of 2.1 kilometers from the lunar surface, which was approximately 3 minutes away from the landing on the Moon, ISRO has lost connection with Vikram. As of now, we don't know what exactly happened to Vikram. Did it land safely or crash landed? Should be verified by our scientists. Our scientists are now analyzing the data sent by Vikram before we lost contact. Also, they are trying to contact Vikram with the help of orbiter orbiting the moon. Before we jump into the conclusion on Chandrayaan's success or failure, let us see what ISRO, media and space analysts have to say on Chandrayaan-2's mission. ISRO, in a press release, stated that this mission gave an opportunity for ISRO to test new technology in various stages of this mission, which were successful to a larger extent. The success criteria was defined for each and every phase of the mission, and till date, 90 to 95% of the mission's objective has been accomplished. International space experts and media around the world called the communication loss with Vikram a partial loss. To name a few, Jerry M. Leninger, a former astronaut and space analyst, said India was trying to do something very difficult and called the mission as successful one, as the orbiter is still working successfully. BBC wrote Chandrayaan-2 is known for its low budget. It stated mission as so cheap and compared its budget with Avengers Endgame. Chandrayaan-2 was made with a budget of 141 million US dollars, whereas Avengers Endgame was made with 356 million US dollars. Sounds huge, right? Ron Malka tweeted that this is a great achievement and it is not the end on a whole. India's Chandrayaan-2 is appreciated for ISRO's bold attempt, mission's low budget and use of new technology. On 8th September, our scientists have found the location of Vikram on the moon with the help of thermal images recorded by Chandrayaan-2 orbiter. Sources say that lander probably crash landed. Though we lost connection with the lander, the mission is majorly a successful one as orbiter is still on. It will remain active for about 7 years, exploring the lunar surface and its exosphere. This is the end of this video. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates from us. Also, don't forget to comment your views. Thank you.